Usol umatake, pasa kay Wallace, losing the letter is same ball. Reference for 3, nakuha. Bola sa team line. 13 na shot lang. Usol, step back 3, kaduang 3. Wala, rebounded, nakuha ni Columnas. Columnas to Calamba. Calamba now controlling the ball. Pinasa kay Columnas. To number 24. Pito ang labawa. Number 0 fires. Wala. Wallace Maduriba. Pamunes. Siyam na po ng labaw. 8 minutes, 20 seconds left. Calamba. Shot clock 14. Columnas fires. Rebounded by number 24. Fakes and fires. Stolen by Calamba. Ball fake. To number 3. Lofranco. What a move. 59-66. Remperas, no good, rebounded by Sarpamones, Black, nakuha ni Columnas to Lofranco, what a wide, between the legs, lays it up, wala, Lofranco, last touch, shot for 3, number 00, no good, Lofranco for the ball, upat na lang, babawi, wala. Rebounded by Lofranco. Lofranco now in hurry. Lofranco attack. Yes, sir! 64-66. Nakuha ni Reperas. Shot bola sa Trien Construction. 6 minutes, 9 seconds left. Okay. Calamba sending the play to Corpez para labaw ni Black 3 James Favor. Labaw na 3 66-67. Okay, Husol thinking 3, shot clock 14. Nakuha ni Pau. Nakuha ni Kalansa. Akong tapan. 4 minutes and 25 seconds left. Shot clock 14 for 3. Tapan. Shot clock 14. Remperas for 3. Remperas. Laban sa tulong team line with 3 minutes and 50 seconds left for the final quarter. Binto Lofranco running shot. Nice shot by Lofranco. Half shot na yung laban sa team. 54 seconds left. 3 minutes, 24 seconds left. Remperas, kick out pass, shot clock 10. Agaray. To number 24. Turns. Nakuha ni Lofranco. Pusa. Chase Favor. 2 points. Lofranco. Okay, shot clock 10. Oy, ginatang sa kontra. To Columnas umatake. Kapos nakuha ni Neoms, nakuha ni to Remperas. Pinasa kaya Wallace. Parehas na gaton. Time out. Trien Construction. Ngutot ka dong. Okay, Kalamba daw. 2 minutes and 15 seconds left. Nakawala si Lofranco. Ay! The ball. Intentional foul. 1 point. Lofranco. 1 shot pa.
Nabuang yung magbaya, no?
1 point plus ball position. 2 minutes, 11 seconds left. 3-point lead, 3N Construction.
Ha?
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes is brought to us by D5J Construction.
Nakatol.
And then Solar Light. We make the night bright. Then Solar Light. 1 minute and 48 seconds left. Foul. Sarpay. Nakuha ni Kalambay. Nangatumba na sila. Fast break play. Oy, ipasa sa kontra. 1 minute and 35 seconds left. Corpez. Skill pa kayo sa Corpez. Shot clock 14. To Kalamba for 2. Wala. Arwales for the rebound to Sol. 1 minute 20 seconds left. So Peras, there is a whistle. And 15 seconds left. Shot clock 10. 1 minute 5 seconds left para Iguales. Colomnas for the ball. Colomnas pasa kay Lofranco. Lofranco. Stepping on the line.